From DocuSign, this is Developer Release Notes, API and Developer Updates for March 2021. I'm Larry Kluger, Lead Developer Advocate for DocuSign. E-Signature Updates. In February 2022, that's a year from now, the DocuSign eSignature REST API version 2 will enter maintenance mode. The API will continue to be available while it's in maintenance mode. There is no plan for V2 to become unavailable. But you should start planning now to update your REST API applications to version 2.1 of the API and update to OAuth authentication if your application is not already using it. New file format support. We're adding support for source documents in XHTML format. We're also adding support for documents and uploaded signer attachments in HEIC format. That's High Efficiency Image Container. HEIC is a new image file format that Apple and other companies are starting to use. Open source Qlik SDKs are now available for C#, Java, PHP, Node.js, Python, and Ruby. Our code examples, launchers, and how-to articles all were updated to support the new SDKs. We have also published a Swagger file for the API. The Qlik API is an alternative to the DocuSign web app for managing your Qlik wraps and downloading completed Qlik wrap agreements. The JavaScript Qlik API used to implement a Qlik wrap agreement on your website is separate. Likewise, we've also published open source SDKs for the DocuSign Rooms API for C#, Java, PHP, Node.js, Python, and Ruby. The Room API Swagger file is also available now. New information for developers. We've released a number of new videos focused for developers in the last month on our developer channel, youtube.com/DocuSign for developers. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be automatically notified when we release new developer videos. Our latest technical information for developers is first posted on our developer blog, available at docusign.com/blog/developers. I recommend that you regularly visit the blog site to learn the latest. That's it for this month. Please leave your comments about the video on YouTube. Stay up to date with the DocuSign developer team by subscribing, watching, and reading our different developer content channels. And don't forget to check this video's show notes for links to all the subjects I've discussed today. Thanks for tuning in, and thank you for developing with DocuSign.